Today I will demonstrate using Autel IM508 and XP400PRO to read Benz EIS data. Now I connect the control module combining of EIS ELV instrument and the gateway that are removed from the car. Now we read EIS data via OBD. Next, enter the IMMO function of the tablet, select the model, and then Benz. It prompts to connect the XP400PRO programmer. We do it by plugging the USB cable into the tablet and then click OK. Tap Auto VIN Scan. Now the VIN code has been read. Click OK to enter. The vehicle information was read out. Click Yes to go to the next step. 2008 to 2014. Then choose Control Unit. Now we will go to read the EIS data. Select the first option, EIS Tools. Read the EIS data. Select via OBD. Select Auto Scan. EIS is identified as W207. The EIS data is read out. The car key number 1 position and the number 2 position have been used. Then click OK. Click Yes to save the data. And there is a path to save the data. You can upload the data to the server to calculate the password and program key.